Hello everybody, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be talking in short about the history of the Nikon Camera Company. So the history of Nikon, a renowned Japanese multinational corporation, is a fascinating journey that spans over a century. The company has evolved from a small optics and imaging business to a global leader in imaging, precision instruments, and more. Here's a concise overview of Nikon's history. Nikon's origins can be traced back to 1917 when it was founded as Nippon Kogaku Kogyo Kabushiki Gaisha, which means Japan Optical Industries Corporation. The company was established to produce optical lenses and equipment. It was founded by a group of optical manufacturers including Koyata Iwasaki, a key figure in its early history. Koyata Iwasaki was also Mitsubishi's president. In these early years, Nippon Kogaku primarily produced binoculars, microscopes, and other optical instruments. During the lead-up to World War II, Nippon Kogaku expanded its operations and developed close ties with the Japanese military. The company's optical technology and expertise were integral to various military applications. This period marked a significant stage in the company's growth and technical advancements. After World War II, Japan was under Allied occupation and Nippon Kogaku underwent significant reconstruction. During this time, the company began using the brand name Nikon for its optical products. Nikon cameras and camera lenses started gaining recognition in international markets, particularly the United States. The Nikon Model 1, a 35mm rangefinder camera, was one of the early products that bore the Nikon name. The 1960s and 70s marked a period of global expansion for Nikon. The Nikon F, introduced in 1959, was a groundbreaking single-lens reflex SLR camera. It became immensely popular among photographers, both professional and amateur. Nikon established a strong presence in the United States and Europe during this time, competing with other well-known camera manufacturers like Canon. The 1980s and 1990s were characterized by continued innovation at Nikon. The Nikon F2 and F3 were popular camera models, and Nikon played a crucial role in the development of autofocus technology. This era also saw Nikon's contributions to the digital photography revolution, especially with advancements in digital imaging and technology. Nikon created some of the first digital SLRs, DSLRs, for example, the Nikon NASA F4 for NASA, used in the Space Shuttle since 1991 after a 1990s partnership with Kodak to produce digital SLR cameras based on existing Nikon film bodies. As the digital age dawned, Nikon transitioned into digital photography. The company developed a wide range of digital cameras catering to both professional and consumer markets. Notable models include the Nikon D series of digital SLR cameras. In recent years, Nikon has expanded into mirrorless camera technology and continues to be at the forefront of imaging innovations. Nikon's cameras and optical equipment have had a profound impact on the world of photography. They are widely used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Nikon's lenses and cameras have contributed to iconic photographs and have been instrumental in various fields, including scientific and astronomical imaging. Nikon has experienced changes in leadership over the years and faced fierce competition in the global imaging market. The company has had to adapt to rapid technological advancements both in traditional photography and in the broader imaging industry, including medical and industrial applications. Nikon's future appears promising with a focus on mirrorless camera technology, potential technological breakthroughs, and an increased emphasis on sustainability and ethical business practices. In conclusion, Nikon's history is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate over the decades, maintaining a prominent position in the imaging and optical industry. Its legacy and contributions to photography and imaging continue to shape the industry today. If you like this video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me that I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.